Hey, my name's Mike. This is my bike check. King Empire Revision seat frame. And then starting on the front with a Shadow Raptor waist tape. Alienation deviant rim with Primo red spokes. Fitted FAF tire in front. It's got King Empire forks too. Shadow little ones pegs. And coming up here, I got a King headset, Shadow stem, Animal grips, premium whiskey bars. We got Primo 1-bolt lever, the Odyssey linear slip cable in the front to 1 wire. Pretty good. Then down here, it's got Snafu cranks. Shadow, the Shadow chain and Shadow chain ring, sprocket, then Animal pedals, profile bottom bracket. This chain's really strong, it never breaks. And down here I got the Odyssey Evo 2 brake system. And then right here, got Animal tire, Colony contour rim, Primo spokes again, and a Shadow Raptor back hub. The little ones peg and Shadow hub guard. And up here, got Shadow seat clamp and seat post, both in red, and then the Shadow fat seat with the white logo. Pretty nice bike, weighs around like 20 pounds. I haven't really exactly weighed it, but I know it doesn't weigh that much. Pretty light. Bike's all around good. I'll have an edit soon for you.